back to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. And as you may have noticed, my art studio has changed because I moved to the summer house, but I didn't bring my mannequins with me. I will bring them later, so today I will paint on a table using cardboard. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create very fun cartoonish tank top. And this idea came from Pinterest. I was scrolling through my Pinterest feed and I saw these fun images of people with zombie faces and dripping clothes, and I was like, interesting. And I learned that it is an art. People call it grime art. People edit the photos in some app, they apply these zombie effects and dripping effects on the photos, and such photos are trendy on Instagram. I'm not interested in editing my photos, but I'm interested in painting on clothes. So I decided to show you how to create such grime clothing because it is so easy. So for painting you need some basic clothing. I will paint on a tank top, but you can paint on a t-shirt, on a sweatshirt, on a hoodie. And you need fabric paints. And if you have never heard about fabric paints before, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links to the description below. And brushes, I will use 3 brushes, one big flat brush, one round brush size medium, and one small round brush. And that's all. So let's get started. And here is a tank top I will paint on, white cotton tank top, and I put cardboard inside of it, and I drew these 2 lines, breast lines on it. And here is a reference photo. I will use cartoonish drips and I will use same color scheme, and just half of the tank top will be painted, so I draw drips at the center of a tank top. And here are the colors I will use: blue, green, yellow, white and purple. And also I will need some rag to wipe my brush and water. And first I mix white color and blue color, and I paint with this light blue color upper part of the tank top. And also I mix white color and green color, or green, white and yellow colors to create such light green color. And also I use water. Don't afraid to use water in this design, because with water it's easier to apply paint on fabric, it's easier to blend colors into each other, and especially in this design you can use much water and it will be fine. And as you can see, the upper part of design I paint mostly with light blue and light green colors. And to paint the lower part of the design I add purple color, and I also mix purple and white or blue, purple and white, and with these colors I paint the lower part of the design. And now I will change my brush. I will use now round brush medium size, and I will paint drips. And also I paint a couple of falling drops. I put paint to the sides of the tank top and to the back side of straps to create this kind of a fading color effect. And now I'll use black color fabric paint and small size brush, and I will paint outline to create this cartoonish effect. First I outline the neckline and straps. And it's okay if lines will be a bit messy, like sketch lines. And now I paint drips also with black paint, and you can paint as many drips as you want and as big drips as you want. And also I outline breast lines because tank top is fitted, but if you paint on a t-shirt, on a sweatshirt, on a hoodie, you don't need to paint these breast lines, and also if you are a man, you don't need to paint them either. And I outline drips and drops. And now I will paint highlights. I use white fabric paint and I outline just the right side of the drips. And I tried this tank top on and I decided to change a bit breast lines to make them a bit more straight. I think it will look better. So I will cover with paint rounded corners. And I decided to paint one more drip. And painting is finished! So guys, as I said, it is so fun and so easy, and you can create such grime clothing for yourself, wear it, take pics and share on Instagram with the hashtag #NoFilter. I hope you found this video useful. Smash that like button to support my art and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the message about art fashion, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.